Welcome to a journey beyond your wildest dreams, where we'll explore the incredible power of belief. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, gazing at the vast horizon. Now imagine your life with no limits. That's what we'll uncover today. Act 1. Believe in the impossible. Think back to a time when you thought something was impossible, but you believed in it anyway. Remember that exhilarating feeling when you defied the odds? We're here to remind you that the impossible is just a state of mind. Act 2. Create your legacy. Close your eyes and envision the legacy you want to leave behind. What impact do you want to have on your family, your community, or the world? Believe that you can create that legacy, and you're one step closer to making it a reality. Act 3. Become your hero. Think about someone you admire, a role model, a historical figure, or even a fictional character. What qualities do they possess that you admire? Believe that you can embody those qualities and become your own hero. Act 4. Challenge your doubts. Doubts are like weights holding you down. Picture yourself shedding those doubts and lifting off into the sky of limitless possibilities. Challenge your doubts and you'll realize you're capable of more than you ever imagined. Act 5. Inspire action. Belief alone is not enough. It must lead to action. Think about a goal you've been hesitating to pursue. Today, believe in it and take the first step towards making it a reality. The power of belief is a force beyond measure. It can move mountains, cross oceans, and transform lives. Remember, you are the architect of your destiny. Believe, act, and achieve. Thank you for embarking on this unique journey with us. If this video has inspired you, share it with others, and together we'll ignite the flames of belief in the hearts of many. Subscribe for more extraordinary content. Now go out there and redefine your limits.